In Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, Indian troops continued their violent coordinated search operations and house raids in different areas of the territory, subjecting the people to intimidation and harassment. The troops carried out military operations and house raids in different areas of Srinagar, Ganderbal, Badgam, Kupwara, Baramulla, Bandipora, Islamabad, Shopian, Kulgam, Pulwama, Rajouri, Poonch, Kashtawar, Udhampur, and other districts. The residents of several areas told the media that the troops barged into their houses, harassed and abused the inmates, including women and children, and vandalized the household goods. India's notorious National Investigation Agency, along with the paramilitary personnel, also conducted house raids and searches at different places in the occupied valley and seized mobiles, laptops, computers, and other belongings of the people. Political analysts and experts in Srinagar have said the aim and objective of such coordinated search operations, house raids and arrests by Indian forces personnel and agencies is to frighten the people in the occupied territory and suppress their freedom struggle. They maintained that Narendra Modi-led fascist Indian government and its administration in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir could not achieve anything through their brutal acts and militaristic policies for last 7 decades and will fail in their nefarious designs in future as well. On the other hand, the Indian authorities have booked 4 youth under Black Law Unlawful Activities Prevention Act for raising anti-India slogans during Muharram procession in Srinagar in August last year. The police arrested the youth Rafaqat Ali, Muzaffar Hussain, Muhammad Abbas and Mudassar after summoning them to Kotibagh police station in Srinagar on Monday. Meanwhile, an Indian Army chopper crashed in Gujran Nala in Gurez area of Bandipora district today. Officials told the media that the pilot of the chopper died in the crash. The Jammu and Kashmir National Conference spokesman in a statement in Srinagar said the ground situation in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir is contrary to the Indian authorities' claims of peace in the territory. The casual laborers in various departments held a protest demonstration near Press Club Jammu in support of their demands. They demanded regularization of their services, implementation of Minimum Wages Act in the territory, and release of pending wages of all casual laborers. The Sada-e-Hurriyet UK hosted a seminar in the British Parliament to discuss possibilities and challenges of joint academic research between British and Pakistani universities to draw the attention of